Hi guys, it's Miss Esquivel. Today we're going to talk about weather. So I want you to go pause this for like a second and then take a look outside and tell me what the weather is out like today. Well, what do you think weather is after looking outside? So weather is going to be like what the air feels like outside or what the temperature is. So is it hot or is it cold? Other factors of weather can be like right here on this chart. So if it's clear or cloudy, or if it's really windy, or if there's not a ton of wind, it's pretty calm. And then sometimes there's water that comes from the sky, and that can be in forms of rain or snow, which we don't ever really see here in Texas. But there's so many different factors to weather. And we could use, last week we talked about tools, and there's so many different tools that we can use, like a thermometer for temperature, a rain gauge to see how much rain is coming out of the sky. There's so many. Even looking at a flag outside, and if the flag is waving like crazy, that means it's really windy. But if it's pretty calm, that means there's not a lot of wind going on. So you could describe weather by saying it's warm outside, or if it's really hot outside, like how we've had in Texas lately with like those 100-degree weather days, temperature days, it's very hot. If it's cold outside, like in January, that's my favorite, when you get to have hot chocolate. So those are some words that you could use or observations you can make, or you could see if it's very cloudy or clear, if there's a lot of clouds everywhere and you could only see just a very little bit of blue sky, or if it's a ton of blue sky and you don't see a lot of white puffy clouds. For rainy, you could see if it's outside today, it's very sunny, but if it's rainy, it's going to be wet outside. Or how rainy is it? Is it just drizzling? Or is it pouring? Is it thundering? So you could use words like that to describe weather. So what we're going to do is you're going to look outside and see what the weather is today. So today is Monday, right? And so regardless of what it is, let's say it's 30 degrees outside. Well, that's cold. So you're just going to move this picture right over here and put it there. Is it clear or cloudy? I don't know. Take a look outside and click that picture, and you're going to move it to cloud coverage. Cloud coverage is if it's clear or cloudy. Calm and windy would be wind conditions. And rain is precipitation, so that comes from the sky. That's going to go here if it's rainy or icy.